Hi, class. Thank you for being here for math on time today. So, in math, we have been talking about patterns. We know patterns are something that repeat. So, we have looked at a lot of patterns that make a pattern by using color, like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So, it's very easy to see what the pattern is because of the colors we see. We have also focused a lot on doing patterns by shape. Maybe circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Yes. Well, today what we're going to do is we are going to look at some patterns that are the same color and the same shape. But so we're going to see how they make a pattern when they have the same color and the same shape. So this is called interpreting patterns by making arrangements. So for my first pattern right here, we could point the cubes up and down like this and make a pattern. So we have up, down. We see that they are both red, but we start with the top of the cube pointing up and then the cube pointing down. So we could continue our pattern. So we have up, down. Now I need and up. Now I need a down. Let's read what we have so far. Up, down, up, down. What comes next? Up. If you said up, you were right. Let's read from the beginning. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Down does come next. Whoa, stop. Let's read what we have. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Good. So you could call it up, down, or I know another way to describe it. What about top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top? Good. So we can't just say red, 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 because that doesn't explain what the pattern is. We have to be specific about how we describe the pattern. So on this one, we could say up, down, or top, bottom. Good. So the part that repeats every time is top and then bottom. Let's look at this next pattern. We have the same shape here. I see square, 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 but the squares are turned different ways. See, here we have a flat top, and then a pointy top. So flat, flat, point. So now we need flat, flat, point. What shape would come next? If you said flat, you were right. Flat, flat, point. Flat, flat, point. Flat, flat, point. So although these are all blue and these are all squares, they still are a different pattern. They have different arrangements. They're turned different ways. Now let's look at the last pattern. Are they all blue? Yes, they're all blue. Are they all cubes? Yeah, they're all cubes. Do they all have the top of the cube on top? None of them are on the bottom like this one, right? Right? They're all on the top. So some of these cube stacks I snapped in half. So you can see I have full ones right here. It's full when it had 2 cubes. But these ones I snapped in half. So let's go ahead and write on here. We had half, full, full, half, full, full. What do we need next? Half. What do we need next? Full. So I've got to make a full one. And what do we need next? Full. There are two fulls beside each other. Half, full, full. Half, full, full. Half, full, full. What comes next? Half. Good. So the point of today's lesson is to make you think about how patterns can be made even when they are the same color or the same shape. You've got to look at the arrangements in different ways and think out of the box.